Yo, what's good, everybody? Mighty Duck Action here. Mwah, right there. Happy Friday, by the way, to all my fans out there, to the best fans. You guys are the best, and I love it. Today I'm doing a challenge called Doritos Flamin' Hot Nacho. I'm doing better. Hopefully I do better than the Takis. The last time I did Takis, it was pretty bad. Ooh, they're spicy. So today I want to also talk about the Celtics losing to the Raptors in Game 3. Raptors are a good team. Gotta give them credit there. They're a good team. Buzzer beater. Fall, he's young. He's gonna learn. So it's not his fault. Not anybody's fault. I'm not gonna blame anybody. But I told you, Raptors and Celtics are gonna be a good series. Well, like I said, Celtics are a good team. Lakers and Blazers are playing tonight. Rockets. Sorry. Lakers and Rockets playing tonight. That'll be a good series. Heat and Bucks. Bucks feeling that heat though. They're getting beaten badly by Miami. Actually, they're not getting beaten badly. They just got beaten because of the foul. But what are you gonna do about it? Jimmy Butler's just doing good with that whole young team and stuff like that. Also, baseball, the Mets beat the Yankees in final and 10 innings, I think it was. 10 innings or 9 innings? No, 10. It was 10 innings. Beat them 9-7. So, hey, the Yankees or Mets. Mets are the type of team that they're really bad, but they're really good at the same time. I do got some Cheetos Flamin' Hot Popcorn. If y'all want me to eat the whole bag of those, trying my best to eat the whole bag of those. Let me know down in the comments. I am going to do the Warhead challenge. Do that. Warheads, Cheetos. I was going to do eat a whole, like, the Matador meat. I forgot what it's called. It's like a Slim Jim, except it's like this long. I was going to do that, but I think I accidentally threw it out. It fell on the floor. I was opening it. So. Friday, it's 4-day weekend, It's a nice day, But no, I appreciate you fans helping out. We're at 32 subscribers. That is awesome. 32 subscribers. I appreciate that, guys. You guys are the best. Y'all are the best fans, I love it, But yeah, Warhead challenge I'll do the Warhead challenge. If y'all want me to do the Warhead challenge, I'll do it. Just a small bag. I'm not going to do a big bag. I don't want my tongue bleeding. Also, part of the Warhead challenge, you guys have to have a timer, and I think with the Warhead challenge I'm going to do a giveaway. Whoever gets the closest time on the Warhead challenge with a timer, whoever gets the closest, I'm going to do a giveaway. Whoever gets the closest will get a Yankees hat. We'll get a Yankees hat, and I think that'll be a good one. So if you guys can guess the time of my Warhead challenge, of how much time I can eat a small bag full, and I might do a giveaway. I'm thinking about it. If y'all want me to do a giveaway with a Warhead challenge, I'll do it. I am not doing the cinnamon challenge. I want to let y'all know that. People are like, oh, you should do the cinnamon challenge. Nope. Not doing cinnamon at all. Cinnamon's freaking not really that good. So I'm not doing the cinnamon challenge. I've seen people do it, and when they cough, it's like this big cloud full of like brown dust. It's so disgusting. I ain't doing it. No, I'm not done the whole bag. But, no, NBA seems to be going well. What's that one? Oh, Clippers beat the Nuggets. Not surprised that. That's going to be a sweep. I already know it. It's going to be a sweep. I already know. Clippers are way too good for the Nuggets. Also, I'm gonna let y'all know, I can't live stream. Someone's like, you should do a live stream. I can't live stream. YouTube won't let me because I'm not close to like 1,000K or whatever, 100K. So, but I am able to do reactions after the game. So I do want to let y'all know. Someone's like, you should do a live stream. I can't do live streams right now. So. I'm done. Ooh, anyhow. I'm done with the whole bag. Oh. I know it's running. Look to numb. Ooh. I also want to talk about the Blue Jays also winning the... Shout out to the Blue Jays right here, boys. Shout out to the Blue Jays. You know, they beat Boston in extra innings. Well, game, you know. Boston, I feel bad for Red Sox fans, you know. They won a World Series in 2018 and then they lose back-to-back seasons. If you're a champion, you know, you should have a winning record, in my opinion. I feel bad for Red Sox fans. You know, you win a World Series in 18, but then you lose back, and then you have losing records back to next season. I feel bad for Red Sox fans, you know. But hey, you know, at least you guys don't get owned by the Yankees. But most of this is gonna be crumbs anyway. Oh my god. I got no bag done, boys. I think I'm able to do it. Most of this is crumbs. Also, try playing in Buffalo. That's pretty cool, you know. Toronto Blue Jays playing in Buffalo. That's kind of sweet, you know. They ain't far from the border. Buffalo's not a bad city. You know. Shout out to the Bills and Sabres. You know. You guys are you know, shout out to the Bills. I wish y'all luck this season. You guys are the craziest fans. Same with us Green Bay fans. You know, we're crazy. We'll go in cold weather. Kind of stupid, but I'll never wear a cheese head. You know, Green Bay, they wear them cheese heads. I'll never wear them. So, yeah, here's my whole bag. Ooh, that came better than Takis challenge. That was better than the Takis. That was. No, yeah. Oh, excuse me. No, that was better than the Takis one. I gotta wash my hands now. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. There might be a video Monday. There might be a video Monday on Labor Day. There might be. There might be a video Monday, Labor Day. There might be not. I don't know. Do the Cheetos Flamin' Hot. I hope they're good. I bought them, and the Cheetos Popcorn Flamin' Hot. Well, Flamin' Hot popcorn. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys can, and I'll do the Warhead. If y'all want me to do the Warhead, I'll do it. So, hope y'all have a good, awesome Friday, and have a great weekend. Peace.